EU Direct Ado A20F XE 36 volts 10.4 ampere hour 250 watt 20 by 4 inch folding electric bicycle certified lighting 25 kilometers per hour speed 80 kilometers mileage electric bike black color. Hi, welcome my friend. Features Shimano 7-speed transmission system, 50 watt power rate gear motor with 25 kilometers per hour maximum speed, front fork and idle tube, double shock absorption, 886 tire HD LCD display clear under the sunshine, humanization design like USB charger, carrying handle, dual mode, free switching. Package including one Ado 20F XE electric bike, one EU charger, one user manual. Brand Ado, tire size 20 by 4 inches, rubber pneumatic tire. Model A20F XE, rated power CE Virgin 250 watts. Material aluminum alloy, maximum speed 25 kilometers an hour. Brake, front mechanical disc brake 3.0, double push system. Range, electric range 50 kilometers. Rear, mechanical disc brake 3.0, double push system, assisting range 70 kilometers. Transmission, Shimano 7-speed. Battery capacity 36 volts, 10.4 ampere hour. Shock absorption, front fork and rubber pneumatic tire. Charging time about 6 hours. Front and rear hub type, integrated modeling hub, gear ratio 28 by 14 by 48. Small bell, mechanical bell. Payload equal to or less than 120 kilograms. Brake handle, left and right. Net weight 30 kilograms. Mobile phone charging system, 5 volt, 1 ampere, USB Type A plus charging base. Gross weight 40 kilograms. Light, certified lighting and reflectors. Unfolding size 1740 by 530 by 1200 millimeters. Rear wheel fender, yes. Folding size 980 by 450 by 770 millimeters. Rear rack, yes. Carton size 1010 by 490 by 730 millimeter. Operating temperatures minus 10 degrees to plus 40 Celsius. Color black, white and gray. Storage temperature minus 20 to plus 50 Celsius. Certification CE. IP rating IPX5, tax-free. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.